This delightful apple galette could be the star dessert of your next 100% vegan soiree. Slice the apples and mix with maple syrup, cinnamon, and lemon juice in a bowl. Set aside. In a bowl, mix flour, sugar, and salt. Add vegan butter and non-dairy milk. Stir with a fork until crumbly. Don't overmix. Shape the dough into a ball and flatten it into a disc. Lightly flour a surface and roll the dough into a 12 inches round, about 1/8 inches thick. Place the dough on the baking sheet, spoon the apple mixture in the center, and fold the edges up, creating pleats. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Lower the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 more minutes, or until golden. Let the galette cool before serving.